Hey, how's it going? Hans Schaff here, GoTinyBeFree. I'm here at Incredible Tiny Homes with the RJO. I want to show you the inside, do a quick little tour. So we're going to walk right inside here. Okay, so here's the inside of the RJO. And this is basically what the inside of the new 8x24 RJO, going for $35,000 on the cottages at Pine Lake property in phase 1. This is the 16-foot version, so it's going to be 8 foot longer. Get your 6-foot countertop with the little cutting board with the sink. Very well, very nicely decorated. And this is, I believe, where the water heater is going to go. And of course, in the 20, I believe the door, this will actually be where the water, the door is now, is where the washer and dryer will go, I believe. So it's a slightly different model here. Now it's going to look like the inside of the Incred-I-Box. It's going to have that layout. So I just wanted to show you the tour here. So here's the bathroom. I believe this is a 32-inch shower with this layout being 8 foot wide. That's as large as they could go. So with the new 8x24, it'll be a 32 or 36-inch shower. And this one has the solar package, so it has a cabinet there where you'll be able to see all the charge controllers and things. If you got the solar package, that's what that would come with it. Okay, we'll move a little further along here. This has a bay window as well and a mini split, of course. It's very neat in here, very cool. There's your loft up there. You can see it's a pretty good sized loft, as you can see from underneath there. It's about half the length of the house, so it's a good, probably 8-foot loft or so. You'd have to want to put an egress window in there if you're going to make it into a sleeping loft. Here's a little closer up. We've got a little fireplace in here as well. That's an extra option you could add. And a big old picture window in with their bay window. So you can actually use it as a bench. You can put a cushion on there. It's a neat little stoop. So this is the 8x16 RJO. So what do you think of the 8x16 RJO? Could you live in something like this? Is this a nice little spot? Would you like to rent out something like this on Airbnb? I think it's a really neat little tiny house. Very cool. You got, of course, the gable roof as well. Not the flat roof. So I think it looks pretty cool. So there's a view to the front. All right, Hans Schaff, GoTinyBeFree. See you in the next video.